The H2 in the middle of the freaking road. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh, what the hell, bro? Oh. YouTube, what is going down, baby? I'm with some hitters here today. We riding at, what's this, Two-Wheel Performance, right? Yeah. Two-Wheel Performance here in Maryland. Got a gang of bikes that came out for the 650e bike giveaway, the BMW S1000. Got some dope bikes out here, including Mr. Super H2. Woo, this thing is crazy looking, boy. Carbon wheels, swing arm, exhaust. Look at all the titanium bolts in there. It's crazy. This thing is absolutely nuts. Got some more bikes over here that pulled up. I believe this is Eve's booster here. Carpenter motor, 1600cc Carpenter motor booster. This guy doesn't want to ride any other bike because he is not trying to get any L's today. So he's on that big bad booster. Sai, my boy Sai just pulled up. Well, actually, Sai's been here longer than me, but Mr. Sai got some goodies with the carbon wheels. Now on the triple R, looking all types of glorious. I am jealous. This bike is getting even sexier and sexier. It's crazy, man. My boy Rich got his R1 out here. I don't know whose H2 this is, but this is nice. These bikes all lined up out here. Oof. And the Eve giveaway S1000 is right here. And man, oh man, is this pretty. Got that brake disc cooler from the M1K. Carbon everywhere. These details are crazy. But you know how Eve does. Spares no expense. Love the tail. Number 11. This guy's giving away 11 bikes. That's crazy. Woo! But we're about to get ready here at Two-Wheel Performance shop here and get to go ride somewhere. I have no idea, but I'm hungry and a little tired. My boy LaPearl pulled up with the R1 with this vibrant colorway. Very clean bike right here for sure. Very, very stealthy looking. Well, we got tons of heavy hitters out here, man. This is a pretty good turnout for mid-October. Eve is on that crazy booster thing. My boy Rich is on the R1. Got Leader, Super H2, Sai Boogie, LaPearl over here. Setups the X10, the R1, CBR. Yeah. Some dope bikes out here, yes sir. Sai Boogie with the hoodie. But yeah, we about to head down to I think the harbor, and we gotta get some food because our brother is hungry. Looking at this carbon booster in the sun is, oh my gosh, ooh la la. It looks like a freaking carbon rocket ship. Wow. Stuck in crazy traffic. Woo. Good Lord. But stoked to be riding in an area that I haven't ridden in before. Maryland is pretty nice, but we gotta hurry up because it's already 2:37 and that sun is not gonna be nice after 4 o'clock. Woo. That triple R looks sexy too. So I just got those carbon wheels on. That boy is bling blinging. Looks beautiful, bro. Oh gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my God, not the H2 in the middle of the freaking road. Damn. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Let's get it to the side of the road. Look out, sir, look out. Oh my God. Get the kickstand? Oh, what the hell, bro? Oh. Thank God he's alright though, man. But damn, not the freaking H2. It looks like the frame started caught most of the damage. He should be good to ride still. There's no leaking fluids or anything. I think he's all right. Yeah, I think he's all right. Definitely now not how you want to start off a ride, man. I'm just glad the rider is completely okay. He's completely conscious. It doesn't look like he has a scratch on him. He's got his full race suit on, but it's just unfortunate that happened. Looks like the brunt of the damage was on the frame slider, but he's missing a shifter, so he's gonna have to get that bike towed. But damn, man, as soon as we get on the highway, that happens, man. That was so scary to see. But I have no idea what happened. You guys saw what I saw, so sheesh. Head back to the Shout Two-Wheel Performance. Apparently Eve's chain got knocked off as well too in that crazy situation that happened earlier, so we're gonna go back and assess. But it might be a wrap for riding for the day. I don't even know if we should even continue. Definitely get some food and you know, figure out what else to do tonight. But we'll see what we can get into. It's probably a wrap on the day. Ebe took some damage. I don't know if you guys could see it on his belly fairing. Apparently the H2 slid into him and knocked his chain off. So I mean, I'd be done after the day too if somebody did that to me, for sure. Maybe it's just a sign that we shouldn't be riding today. So we're gonna pack it in, get some food, and then just get ready for tomorrow. But it's just really unfortunate that this happened though. But all good. You live and you learn. We're gonna get some food, and we're gonna get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're definitely gonna be out here for a little longer. So hopefully it'll be a good day, and everybody will be safe, man, because damn it. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next episode, people. Definitely ride safe, guys. Peace out.